Dream a little green and do a world of good.
Do you spend money like water?
Save money and water by taking quick showers, not a bath.
Get a new low-flow shower head. You'll save on water
And heating bills.
Do a world of good.